Whether you're managing your own health plan or your whole family's, there are a lot of details to keep track of. With an online account and mobile app, you'll have access to the important information you need no matter where you are. Signing up is simple, and once you're logged in, you can easily see your plan benefits all in one place. You can use it to find nearby clinics or hospitals in your plan's network. And when you need your member ID card, easily access it from your smartphone. Find cost of care estimates for different doctors, clinics, and hospitals to get the best price. And take a look at your plan balances and recent claims to see what your plan covered and how much you could owe. It's everything you need to manage your health and your plan. Save money and take charge of your insurance when you sign into your online account and download the mobile app. Visit our website and get connected today.